If you have a chart of accounts from another system that you want to use in Patriot, here is how to import your chart of accounts. If you haven't yet set up your accounting software, from your dashboard, click Finish Accounting Setup, then click Go to Chart of Accounts Import. If you've already set up your software, go to your Chart of Accounts page under Settings, Accounting Settings, Chart of Accounts, and click Import Accounts at the top of the page. First, you will need to prepare a spreadsheet of your accounts to be imported. Note that your Patriot account will be pre-filled with commonly used accounts in addition to what you import. If you happen to have accounts that are exact matches to our default accounts, those will be ignored in the import in order to prevent duplicate accounts. You can download a blank template or create your own as long as your sheet has the same columns and the file is either comma delimited in a CSV file or Excel file. If you use account numbers, enter these in column A. Leave this column blank if you don't use account numbers. Enter the name of the account in column B. If you have accounting premium and want to import sub-accounts, you will want to make sure each parent account has a row starting with the parent account name. Then, for each sub-account, separate each account name with a colon. These will appear as a nested list in your chart of accounts. You can also select parent accounts later after you upload your file. Enter the type of the account in column C. Note the type can be only one of 5 options: asset, liability, equity, income, or expense. If known, enter the account subtype in column D. Note that these subtypes are different than sub-accounts. These subtypes are predefined and are going to depend on the type of account listed in column C. Be sure to see our help article for a list of possible subtypes for each account. You can also leave subtypes blank in your spreadsheet and choose your subtypes after you've imported your accounts. In my example, I'll leave subtypes blank and choose them later. Upload your file and click Save and Continue. Next, you may need to review your accounts and choose your subtypes here if you've left them blank in your spreadsheet. If there is any other missing information, enter it here. You can also indicate parent accounts here if you have accounting premium and use sub-accounts. Click Save and Continue. You will have a final chance to review your uploaded chart of accounts. The type and subtype for each account cannot be changed after it has been added. When you have finished reviewing your accounts, click Submit Import. Click Create Accounts. You will now see your updated chart of accounts with the pre-filled accounts and any new accounts you have imported.